So what's the deal, YouTube? Come back with a new video for y'all. This is gonna be a bowling vlog for y'all. I don't know if y'all really like the bowling vlogs, but I'm gonna put them in there, and they're gonna be on the channel and stuff. So we just got done with the first game. I'm gonna record the second game for y'all, so y'all got that, and y'all can see like how we bowl and everything. I'm gonna record the second and the third game actually. We won the first game, so we playing the #1 team right now. We trying to catch up. We down 5 games. So y'all good. Y'all good. We down 4 games now because we just beat them the first game, but we catch up and we win first place. We win $1,000 each, and it's 3 of us. So we trying to catch first place. We can do it. It ain't hard. I mean, it is hard, but it ain't impossible. So yeah, I'm gonna record the second game for y'all and the third game, and huh? Bye.
Thank you, Rob. Thank you.
Only a 7.
Missed the head pin, and you missed it twice in a row.
He better have cleaned that up. Alright, so he a part of the other team, and then white shirts, Bo, he a part of my team. Yeah, that was. I'm not gonna lie to you. That cleanup was nice. Good pickup. I mean, good strike. I'm up next. I don't know if y'all can really see the score or not. I'll show y'all in a second. Got it. Got to court my grandson, my favorite child. Ken, my grandson. What's the scoreboard? Hey, Reek's got a strike. He's so sweet. Again, look, another 7 pin. 7 again, Ken? Huh? What happened? Oh, man. Guppy action right here. It's a bot. Hey, Mo. See this, bro? Another 7 pin. Guppy. You better pick up again all that talking. Look, all that whooping. All that whooping. Alright, so as y'all can see in the last clip, I missed my pickup. Came on my hand wrong, but we good. For the 8. We're doing pretty good right now. But we're doing pretty good right now, so I'm not really tripping on it. Alright, right now, so they about to announce the jackpot winners, and it's like a mystery. It's called mystery box, and they just call out random numbers. And if your score was that number in the first game, then you win some money. So that's what they're about to do right now. Rico about to roll a second. He's about to throw a second ball. Hopefully he picks up. And yeah. Alright, so Rico picked up. Talking about the ball right now. He's the one that was in my comments on the first bowling video saying, imagine not being first place. So I'll show y'all what he bowled like himself. Alright, so he not bowling that good today, so we got the advantage. So, you know, I'll take anything that we can get. Yeah. Alright, so out of the first 3 frames, I'm not bowling that good. I got 3 7s in a row. Yeah, not looking that good. But it's 2 halves to a game. I mean, to the game, so I ain't really tripping about it. I'm about to turn up. We gotta get all 3 of these wins. So Mo bowling right now. I'll bowl after him. We good though. We all messing up right now. We good. All right, y'all. So got the cover right here. But the scores, we up 68 right now. Colin not bowling that good right now. He done got 3 splits this game. 2 of the same splits. So. Robert rolling good as hell right now. But we good though. We still up, so I'm not really tripping on it. You know. He just got a lucky strike, but how you feel about that one? Alright y'all, so I know I keep talking to y'all, but it's really, I really did this vlog on myself because everybody else don't really want to be on camera right now. But we have 40 right now. I got 2 strikes in a row. Like I said before, it's 2 halves to a game, so I'm still about to bowl into something, so I ain't really tripping on that. I bowled 180 down my first game, and I haven't bowled in a week, so I ain't bowled since last Tuesday, which is our league day, so I ain't really been bowling like I used to. I used to bowl almost every day, like 3 times a week. But I'm about to get back in here. I need some more people to bowl with, like, it's just me, it's just me, Rico, Mo about to leave, so we need some more people bowling. We got the other Mo that was in my other video, he bowled with us. So we gonna need some more people. If y'all bowl, y'all say in Michigan, let me know in the comments and we can bowl together. All right, so as y'all seen in the last clip, I just bowled. I got 3 in a row, 3 strikes in a row. Robert bowling right now. No bad ball. Mo about to bowl over here. Let's see what he gonna do. I feel like this gonna be a strike too. And that's money. Yeah, I told you, it's money. But yeah, I'll bowl next, but let's see what Robert do on the second ball. Didn't pick up. Alright, so we good right now. I'm gonna record again, y'all.
Damn! You want me to cut the clip? They're gonna be like, why is the camera shaking so bad? It's a good pickup. That's a good pickup.
173.
Yo, so I had to put the team on my back this game. I dropped 193 this game. I got us a dub. On the 10th frame, I threw a strike, and then they was like, I was like, I got y'all. They talking about the game not over. I threw 2 more strikes, and I put the game back, put us back on top. So we have 2-0 right now. we need to win this last one. We win this last one, then we get we only 2 games behind them for first place. So my goal today is to not lose. So I gotta put up 200 this game. So every game, like whatever number I start off with my first game, I always go up. So I don't really be worried about that. So yeah, we won the first 2. We on the second. We on the last one right now. Hopefully we pull it out. Hopefully I get some help. But hopefully I have a good game again. So I don't really need that much help. So yeah. Right now, Colin's team got 2 strikes in a row. Let's see what Colin ball. 3 strikes in a row. Okay. 300. It's Mo turn right now. That's a strike also. Like I said. That's a strike also. As y'all can see in that last clip, I missed my pickup by 1 pin. I thought I was gonna pick it up, but it's cool. I'm about to make a ball change. I'm gonna switch my ball because the oil had dried up over there, so I'm gonna switch my ball. I gotta see the other lane looking like. I might switch my ball for that one. So yeah, like. So for the people that don't bowl like that, when the oil, so when you first start, it's a certain oil pattern on the lanes. And after about 2 games, like, okay, I'm gonna explain it like this. So every time that you throw a ball down, you're moving the oil over. So after about 2 games, if you throw it on a certain line, then that line, there ain't gonna be no oil on that line. So you're gonna have to change the ball to, like, because the balls is different. Some of them are for heavy oil, light oil, medium oil, stuff like that. So I'm about to change mine to a light oil. All right, so like I was saying in the last clip, I didn't even know it was my turn to ball. But yeah, but every time you throw a ball, it moves the oil. So after a certain amount of games, after a certain amount of games, it ain't gonna be no oil in that spot no more. So when you change your ball to like that light oil ball, then it'll come back more. Because when you curve the ball, you gotta hit the pocket in order to strike. So like on my last 2 balls, on my first one, it didn't hit the pocket. On the second one, it hit the pocket, but I didn't throw it out enough. So I'm about to switch up my throw. Well, not my throw, but I'm about to move over again. So I can just throw it straight down into the pocket. So I usually throw across the lane. I usually throw across and make it come back into the pocket. But the last game, I was throwing it straight down into the pocket. And so I stand on the second arrow on the left side. So every time you move over, that's tightening up your throw. So it's less room for error. So that's why you got to step over and stuff like that. So I'm gonna show y'all on this next clip what I mean. Like I was making the ball and stuff like that, and I'm gonna move over. That clip, the ball change was different, so I gotta that was my first time throwing that ball today, so I know I gotta throw it slower now because I threw it the same speed after my other ball. What the fuck is that? And I missed my pickup when that was supposed to be a pickup, but I missed, so I don't know how. But I'm about to bounce back. Last game, my first 2 frames was bad. Now it's time to turn it up, so we ain't really talking about it. Yeah, I'm gonna focus on this game, and I'm gonna come back to y'all when the game over. Share the scores with y'all and everything. Let y'all know if anything changed or anything. So yeah, if he hit this, he got a 300. have been his third 300 ever. But now coming over here, they trying to play us for some money. But we win every time, so it don't really matter. But yeah, hey, y'all. So this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And if y'all like bowling videos, let me know in the comments. I can make more for y'all. I can make wipers. I can make weekly bowling videos for y'all, and I can be a part of the channel, like car and bowling videos for y'all. So just let me know in the comments, and if you want to bowl with me, just let me know. We can get some.